In the heart of downtown Toronto, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms in a building with a plethora of amenities. I'm Tracey Logan with the High Park Real Estate Group, and welcome to our new listing at 25 the Esplanade, Unit 703. Let's go inside and take a look. When you first walk into the unit, you have a spacious foyer with a handy double closet with mirrored doors, a 2-piece bathroom, and a low-maintenance ceramic tile which continues into the kitchen. The kitchen features all of your full-size appliances, a ton of cupboard storage, and a handy pass-through with a sit-up kitchen counter. This bright, open-concept living room, dining room also has floor-to-ceiling windows that allow beautiful views of Lake Ontario. This suite features 2 good-sized bedrooms, both with a south-facing view. The primary bedroom features a massive walk-in closet, and the 4-piece bathroom has a soaker tub, a stand-up shower, both with marble surrounds, and a custom vanity. Thank you for joining us on our tour of 25 the Esplanade, Unit 703. If you have any questions or would like to arrange a private showing, please don't hesitate to reach out to us.